Hey, Brian here. Glad you're riding along. Hopefully, we learn something together or at least kill some time. MacCorkle Avenue Southeast, Kanawha City, Charleston, on the south bank of the Kanawha, named for William A. MacCorkle, a WV governor from the 1890s. Honest West Virginia does this thing where it names long stretches of road after the politicians who happened to be in office when the paving budgets came through. McCorkle got Kanawha City's main drag. I live across the river in South Charleston, brother. I see Kanawha City from the other side every day. The lights at night, the river between us doing what the river does. The Kanawha doesn't care whose name is on the avenue. The avenue is named for a man whose statue sits downtown. The work of being a neighborhood happens regardless. People going to work, kids going to school, the river going where the river goes. That's the part the governor never had any say in. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.